Adam wandered along the forest path, feeling the warm sun on his cheeks. Birds chirped above like tiny flutes, and the soft dirt felt springy beneath his shoes. He carried no map, only curiosity, the kind that made every leaf and shadow feel magical. Butterflies drifted past him like floating petals, and Adam stretched his hand out, pretending to catch them. He felt brave, light, and excited for whatever adventure the forest wanted to share. But hidden beyond the trees, something loud was waiting. The peaceful sounds of the forest began to fade. A deep rumble took their place, like thunder that never stopped. Adam stepped through a curtain of trees and froze. Before him surged a massive wild river. Waves slapped the rocks with loud cracks. White foam spun like angry whirlpools. The air was cool and misty, brushing his face with tiny cold kisses. Adam swallowed hard. This river wasn't just big, it felt alive. Adam studied the riverbank and spotted stepping stones peeking from the current. They looked safe enough, at first. He placed one foot on the nearest rock. It wobbled. He stretched his arms out and reached for another. Then, whoosh, a sudden splash of water pushed his ankle. His foot slipped, and Adam toppled backward into a shallow pool. Cold water soaked his sweater. He sat up quickly, coughing and blinking. The river roared louder, as if laughing. For a moment, Adam felt small and very unsure. Adam sat beside the river, dripping water onto the stones. He hugged his knees and listened. The river's roar wasn't mocking him. It was challenging him. Adam closed his eyes. He breathed in for 4 seconds, held it, breathed out slowly. The fear inside him softened. "I can try again," he whispered. The sun warmed his back as if cheering him on. Adam stood, steadier and calmer than before. He was ready. This time, Adam placed his foot on the first stone with care. He tested it with a gentle bounce, steady. He stepped onto the next one, leaning forward like a tightrope walker. His arms stretched out for balance. The river splashed at his legs, but he no longer felt scared. He felt focused, determined. A strong current surged past, spraying water over his shoes. Adam wobbled, but he tightened his stance and pushed on. Step by step, he whispered to himself, just keep going. The final stone was just ahead, but the water rushed fiercest here. Adam gathered all his courage. He stepped forward and landed safely on the far shore. His heart burst with pride. He lifted his arms toward the sky and cheered. The river roared behind him, not as an enemy, but as a teacher. Adam looked back at the path he crossed. He didn't just reach the other side. He grew stronger along the way. Adam smiled gently and waved at the viewers. "If I can face a wild river," he said softly, "you can face your challenges too." He stepped forward, his eyes bright with hope. What tough thing have you pushed through today? Share your answer below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Adam for more adventures. We grow braver, stronger, and kinder together.